Okay, so now that we're done with the artwork, we're gonna move on with the props that I wanna add here. In this case, I'll be adding 3 bottles here, glass bottles, some balls, and some cups. Okay, let's just move on. Okay, so we'll go to the first layer where I don't have anything, so I can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so I'll add a circle. I'll check with F6, and okay, originally vertices it will have 32, but since I already moved it to 12, it stays like that. And same if you wanna work with it with the properties, you have them over here by pressing T on your tools shelf. Okay, or F6 properties right from here. Okay. Okay, anyway, so I got 12 vertices, that's what I want. Let's get rid of that. Oops, I lost it. There it is. Okay, let's press 5 for ortho view. There's something wrong. Okay, my screencast keys, they were not active. Now they are. Okay, let's start with this. No, I don't want this. Okay, vertex. I just like working with vertex. Okay, let's extrude here. Smooth on set. This is as easy as extruding as and scaling. Okay. Now let's just grab it there a bit more. Extrude. Set. And let's start bringing it here. I'll take it a bit longer. Extrude. Set. And it's just to I want to like this, extrude, set, and there we go. Okay, something that I want to do here is go to object mode, press T, shading, smooth. Look what happens. Okay, we've done it in the past, so now we'll do it with the bottle. It looks a bit crappy, just wait. I gotta finish this, extrude, and I'll just hit Alt M, and at center it merge all of those, and I want to get rid of the triangle, so I'll just grab 4 vertices and press F to fill F-I-L-L, yes, that one. Okay, now that I have this, I want to press Ctrl 2, and look what happened. I have a subdivision surface modifier. That's just the shortcut. It's got 3 views, render 2, no, let's keep it view 2, render 2. Okay, and let's see what else I want. I'm not gonna put a lot of detail here. I'm just gonna add a solidify modifier, and here we're gonna see the thickness. That's what we're gonna work with, and that's all we want. Okay, and we got our bottle. Okay, let's place it, put it in place, and hit 7, set, grab. Okay, let's press 5 to orthographic view. Let's grab it here, press dot, let's move it to the top. Oops, grab there. Okay, and that's looking great. Okay, I'm just kidding. Since the origin is right from where we started with the circle, it's just as easy as doing this. Let's just scale it, and we got it in place. Also, I want to scale and shift set, and I want it to be a bit more skinny. Let's press 3, 5, set, just to make sure I'm placing it right. And now we're gonna add an extra modifier, an array. Okay, by doing this, we're going to multiply it in 3. You don't see anything because it's on the x-axis. I want to get rid of the x-axis, and I want to add it on the y-axis. Okay, maybe it's a bit too We are too far away. Okay, same process. Now we're gonna make different shape here. Okay, and I might as well just take this and grab it, put them. Okay, I should start from scratch, but I'll just try something different here. Okay, let's grab these ones and these ones. Oops, and these ones. Delete the vertices. Okay, I just want to create a different shape here, and there we go. Let's grab this, scale. Let's grab this again, scale them back. I didn't really like it, and really that's all we needed. Okay, and we got two different shapes, and as you can see, it respected all the modifiers. Even though I was playing around with the shape, it didn't really affect much. Okay, but I would like to add something here. I don't want it to be sitting right in here, so I'll just add let's go back here. Okay, let's see this. Okay, I want to move this to the second layer. Let's grab both M and here. Okay, so again, I don't have anything here. Shift C. Oops, what happened? Okay, there it is. Let's add another circle. Sorry, no, I want to add a plane. Okay, excuse my flu, as you can see, but anyway, I'm human. Okay, let's add two of these. Let's scale it on Y, and the reason I'm doing this, well, is because I'm gonna add a Control 2 subdivision surface modifier. Okay, so I don't want to lose the shape. I want to leave it like this, a round shape. And let's scale it a bit on Y. And oops, scale it down. Okay, now I want to add another modifier, solidify. Okay, let's add the thickness. And I'm missing something here on the tools panel, and this is shading smooth. Okay, now let's hide everything. Let's go here, and I want to place this table below these two. Okay, let's grab this, move it here, two. Okay, one. Let's move it here. Let's place it over here. Since these are gonna be a glass shading, we don't want to be in the same position, you know, to overlap, because then we'll get funny artifacts while rendering, because this is gonna be glass. So we just want to put it above just a little bit. I mean, from the angle we'll be rendering, we don't even have to bother that much, because we won't be seeing it a lot. Okay, but we'll leave that at the end. Okay, so now I want to add some balls and put it over here, but for that I want to duplicate this. Oops, Shift D, grab, set. Okay, and I'm gonna move this Shift H, so I only leave that object, and I'm gonna add with Control R some details here. Okay, there won't be much. Okay, let's grab this, grab on X, same for this, grab on X. I should just scale them. Anyway, we'll get the same result. Okay, so the only thing I want to do here is just make this shape. Oops, and grab, set, and make this shape. Okay, let's go to smooth shading. Okay, so you can see it's a bit curved. That's what I wanted. I mean, if you want to put some balls here and you don't want it to be moving or dropping, you just curve it so it doesn't move. Anyway, let's Shift C. I'm gonna add UV sphere. It's gonna be fast. Okay, Control 2. So I add the modifier. Let's press F, F, F. I'm just getting rid of. I'm just deleting the triangles by filling up these together. Okay, vertex, 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 F, vertex, 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 F. Okay, now I got a sphere. Same. Let's hit T. Let's go to shading, smooth, and let's just place it on where it should go. Okay, 1. Here I grab the ball. 3. Grab the ball. Okay, let's put it over there. Here, let's go to perspective and let's scale it. And that's about the size I want it to be. So let's go again. Let's grab it and just play with it. Shift D, Shift D, Shift D, Shift D, and Shift D. Oops. Oh. Okay, damn it, I opened up crazy bump. Let's just close it. Okay. Here we go. And let's do this again with 2 balls. Shift D. Let's hit 7. And Shift D. And you don't have to worry much if these overlap, because this is not going to be glass. This is going to be a different material, and you can really tell if they're overlapping, so no worries. Okay. And same again, I'll press M and move it to the second layer. And let's press Alt H to unhide everything. And now it's looking even better. Now by adding the props. Okay, so now I'll stop it here and then move on with the other props we'll be adding to this scene. And I hope you're having fun.